Dear students, this is your Chitrali ma'am and I welcome all of you to the science class. We have started the chapter Combustion and Flame. So what was combustion? The term combustion is used when a substance burns in the presence of oxygen and undergoes a chemical reaction to produce heat and light. Few examples of combustion are like carbon burns in the presence of air to form carbon dioxide. LPG or liquefied petroleum gas burns to produce carbon dioxide gas. So, the substances which can burn to produce heat and light are called combustible substances. For example, paper, cloth, alcohol, ether, kerosene, LPG, these all are the combustible substances. And in the other hand, the substances which do not burn are known as non-combustible substances. For example, iron, glass, stone, sand, etc. So these all are the non-combustible substances. So, oxygen is very important and necessary for combustion. We already got the concept. Now, have you ever thought why petrol in a can does not catch fire on its own? Or why an LPG gas cylinder does not catch fire on its own? Listen, any combustible substance does not catch fire until it is heated to a certain minimum temperature. So, children, the minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire and starts burning is termed as its ignition temperature. So, substances having high ignition temperature cannot catch fire easily, right? When a burning matchstick is brought near the candle, it heats the wick of the candle up to its ignition temperature and the candle starts burning. Now we have to learn the types of combustion. Combustions can be classified into mainly three types, but one additional type is also here, like slow combustion, rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and explosive combustion or explosion. So coming to the first one, that is the slow combustion. When a combustible substance undergoes combustion without an ignition or external heat and produce very little heat but no light is produced, is called slow combustion. It's a very slow procedure, right? And remember, no heat is produced. Example, digestion. Now, rapid combustion. The combustion in which substances burn rapidly to produce heat and light in a very short period of time is called rapid combustion. A very common example you can see over here, burning of cooking gas or LPG in a gas stove, or burning of paper, kerosene, etc. These all are the examples of rapid combustion. External heat must be given so that the substances can burn. Now, spontaneous combustion, in which the substance burns on its own without the application of external heat. So, application of external heat is not necessary here. For example, you can see forest fires are caused sometimes due to the heat of the sun or lightning in the forest. So, there is no application of external heat so far, but the combustion starts on its own, and this is an example of the spontaneous combustion. Like white phosphorus undergoes spontaneous combustion when the room temperature is normal 35 degrees centigrade. Now, explosion. This is very fast combustion reaction in which a large amount of heat, light and sound are produced. So sound is very important here. Explosion occurs a sound. You must have seen that on lighting a firecracker, large amount of heat, light and sound is also produced. This is known as explosion.